Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how to trim and draw your eyebrows, then please keep watching. I have my brows microbladed and it's fading already. So I just take my mascara and I comb up, I comb out, I cut, I trim, comb down, I trim, I brush out the excess hair, I comb up also, and I trim the excess hair that is above the line of my eyebrows. And I keep combing out just to see if I will still get any more excess hairs. Please be very careful when doing this. You want to avoid cutting yourself. So use your hand to pull up your eyebrows so that you can stretch the skin and avoid cutting yourself. Doing the same thing for the second one. Brush up. I trim the excess hairs underneath. And trim the excess hairs above my eyebrows as well. I brush down again. You can do this 2 to 3 times or as much as you want to until you no longer find any excess hairs to trim. And brush out. Where the pencil meets the edge of your lip to your brow bone is where you bring down the curve. So you don't want to start from the front of your eyebrows. You want to start a little bit behind. Draw out the shape of it and then fill it in. You can also use your fingers to feel your brow bone area, and where you feel the bone above your eye is where your brow bone stops. So that's where you want to bring down the curve. Doing the same thing for the second one also, and when I'm done, I brush out with the mascara wand in front to make it look very natural. Then I conceal it with an angled brush with my concealer, and I just trace how it looks. Please soften your edges so your brows doesn't look like a pistol. Soften your edges and do this very slowly. Don't rush. This video is sped up, and I blend it with another brush. Feel like the concealer has cleaned some of the eyebrows, you can always use your pencil to adjust it again and fill it in more, just like I'm doing here. This is the finished look, guys. I have blended properly. I felt like the brown was too light and I went in with a darker pencil. So guys, if you love this video, thumbs up, subscribe.